YouTube. Here I got another video for you today, but today is not going to be a build video. When you order something from me, you get a guarantee that I fully enforce. So what do I mean by that? If anything goes wrong with your build, if you send it back to me, I'll go ahead and repair it for free, for life. I can't guarantee the leather, but I can guarantee my work. So I got back a satchel today, or a wallet. This person was so kind. She left like little notes around and wrote me a very kind letter. This is a wristlet wallet. You may have saw pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen these pictures there. But and if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. And the link is in the description below. Otherwise, you can just search Joshua Watts Leather on Instagram and on YouTube and Facebook. Did you know I even have a Twitter? I have like maybe 3 followers there or something like that. But I rarely post anything, and it's the same thing I post on Facebook or Instagram. So anyway, let me show you what's going on. Why she sent this back. Because it's still in good nick, everything's still attached, still works great. The problem is that here, the zipper became detached. And I think it's because when I glued everything down, the glue didn't pull the zipper down that way very much, so I need to fix this zipper. On the back of the wristlet, I did a laser etch of an airplane. Let me see if I can get that some light for you. Apparently the laser, or it wasn't the laser's fault, it was probably my fault, but there was no line there, so I got to figure out how to burn a little line in there that's consistent with all the other lines. So anyway, she sent this back. That's exactly what I want her to do. I don't want her to go around that has a faulty zipper that can come undone at any time. It's real simple. I'm just gonna repair her wristlet wallet, just restitch that zipper, send it back to her, and fix the little airplane line on the side too. But yeah, if you happen to order something from me, don't hesitate to shoot me an email. Send it back, I'll get you taken care of. If it's gonna be a little bit before I can get to repairing your build, I will definitely let you know that. That's why it's a good idea to always email me first. Otherwise, you may be waiting for a while going, where's my item at? Also, always get a tracking number. I don't care who you ship with. When you ship back to me, get a tracking number. The post office, which that's who I do all my shipping through, you automatically get $50 worth of insurance. So always get a tracking number, use the free insurance, and then email that information to me. I know when to expect it, know when to be available for when that's going to arrive at my door. That's pretty much it, and it protects you too. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and repair this, send it back off to her. Remember, Instagram, Joshua Watts Leather. Anyway, thanks for watching.